Nowadays, QR codes are making things better and easier for business and people around the world. And if you need to make a bunch of them to print them out, you can now do that in Google Docs. The first step is to open Google Spreadsheet and then label the columns for any pertinent information about whatever it is that you are barcoding. In this case, we'll have this example barcode, city, and state. Note that the barcode that we wanted to be accessed when the QR code is scanned is placed in the cell A2. And then enter this formula to where you want the QR code to appear, and then press Enter. Once the QR code has been made, select the cell, and then click the tiny blue square in the bottom right corner of the cell, and then drag down to fill the formula in the remaining cells for the text you have entered. And you may also need to resize the cells to see the QR codes clearly. You cannot, however, copy-paste this on Google Docs, but you can still screenshot this QR code you've made by pressing the Windows logo key and then print screen on your keyboard. And then go to Google Docs, and then create your template, and then paste it on Google Docs by pressing Ctrl-V on your keyboard. Once inserted, you can just crop the QR code. This will be a tedious one to make, but once you're done, you can print this document with QR codes in it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.